Earth is the only planet we know of that supports life. But with billions of planets out there, could there be another one just like it? Today, we're exploring the closest Earth-like planets to us, starting with the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, part of the Alpha Centauri system, about 4.2 light-years away. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf, much smaller than our Sun, and you might notice dark spots on its surface called star spots, regions cooler than the surrounding areas. Now, let's check out the first planet orbiting this star, our nearest exoplanet neighbor. As you can see, it has a large lake and a river running through a yellow desert landscape. The planet's atmosphere has a yellowish hue, somewhat like Mars. Though this planet resembles Mars more than Earth, the presence of water suggests it might host strange creatures beneath its surface, maybe even fish-like beings. However, beyond the lake, the planet is mostly barren, a vast desert with mountains. The second planet looks a lot like the first, but without any water. It's a rocky, desert world with a thin atmosphere, filled with mountains and yellow sands, again resembling Mars. The star is small, so the planets orbit very close, and the heat isn't as intense as on bigger stars. Neither of these first two planets seems suitable for life as we know it, though the lakes on the first might harbor something mysterious. Now, let's move on to the third planet. It seems similar to the previous two but has faint rings. Let's land and take a closer look. The surface is covered with craters, indicating frequent meteor impacts. The lack of an atmosphere means the star appears tiny in the sky, more like other distant stars. From this planet, the star looks just like another bright point in the sky. Now, let's search within a 1,000 light-year radius for planets that are more like Earth. And here we go. This planet has an Earth-like atmosphere, blue oceans, rivers flowing through mountains, and even auroras at the poles. The blue hue is due to the atmosphere's reflection. Incredible, right? The gas giant nearby provides a stunning view, making the night sky glow as if it were day. This reminds me of the world in the movie Avatar, where a moon orbits a massive gas giant. Now, let's check out another Earth-like planet. This one looks even more like Earth, with diverse landscapes, greenery, deserts, and mountains. Stepping onto this planet feels like stepping onto our own. It's a perfect Earth twin, with clear skies and rivers flowing from oceans. It's fascinating to imagine humans exploring such planets one day, perhaps communicating with potential life forms. The resemblance to Earth is uncanny, even down to the clouds and weather patterns. Could future technology make interstellar travel possible, allowing us to explore these distant worlds? Moving on, we see a moon-like body orbiting another planet, with strange patterns on its surface. Could these be signs of an advanced alien civilization? These markings could indicate something, perhaps signals or landmarks for activities. As we descend to the surface of this Earth-like planet, we see its larger companion planet up close. There's something eerie about the ocean depths here, with an intense blue light all around, creating a mysterious underwater landscape. The proximity of these planets means that the nights are incredibly bright, almost like daylight. And what's more intriguing is the nearby nebula, painting the sky with pinks and blacks. It's a breathtaking sight. If you're interested in exploring more Earth-like planets, let me know in the comments, and we'll continue in future episodes. And if you're curious about diving into the depths of a black hole, check out this video. Stay tuned for the announcement of the winner from the last video's contest. See you in the next videos. Let's look around and see where we are. There are galaxies nearby. Oh, I know this one. It's the Cigar Galaxy, about 10 to 12 million light-years from Earth. So, it seems we've returned to our universe and are close to our galaxy. Let's head to the Milky Way and see Earth. As you can see, we're close. Here we are, back at our galaxy after being billions of light-years away at the edge of the universe. Let's go to Earth. Oh, Earth has rings like Saturn. What could this mean? Could it be that we're in a parallel universe similar to ours, with only a few differences? Or perhaps we're still in our universe, but far in the future, where the moon might have been torn apart by Earth's gravity, forming these rings. Let's take a closer look at these rocks. As you can see, they resemble the moon with the same gray color. It really seems like moon debris. Let's do something interesting. Let's look for the moon near Earth. If we can't find it, then these rocks are indeed the remains of the moon, confirming we're in a parallel universe where events unfolded differently. As you can see, there's no moon, but there's a bright object far from Earth. It's Jupiter. It's shining brightly because of its large size. Oh, there's something near Jupiter. It looks like a planet or a moon, but it resembles Earth a lot. It's covered in water and islands with mountains and plains. We're now over a sea, and there are towering mountains ahead. The view of Jupiter in the sky is stunning. But this planet or moon isn't in our universe, which suggests two possibilities. Either we're in a different universe with different things not present in our own, or we're in the same universe but far in the future. You can also write in the comments if you think this is a parallel universe or if we travel to the future, or if you have another explanation. Let me know in the comments. But regardless of the explanation, I'm really enjoying this beautiful place we're in. The view of Jupiter in the sky is incredible. Imagine how it would look at night with Jupiter in the sky. Let's head to a place where it's night and see how Jupiter looks. Let's go to the poles where it's all ice. We're at the pole of this moon or planet, and we're far from the sun, unlike Earth. But despite all this, there's a volcano with lava in the middle of the ice. And look at the beautiful aurora borealis with green and purple colors, along with Jupiter and the stars in the sky. This scene is breathtakingly beautiful. I think anyone who loves space would dream of visiting this place just as I do. But, of course, it would be extremely cold here. We're at a pole of a moon of Jupiter, which is about 5 times farther from the sun than Earth. So if you're here and at the pole of this moon, you'd enjoy the incredible view but also need a heavy jacket. Everything would be perfect. But wait, if we leave this universe now, will we return to our original universe? Or will we end up in another universe with things we don't know about? Let's start from our Milky Way and move at full speed. As you can see, we're moving at 1 billion light years per second, surrounded by billions of galaxies, an infinite number of galaxies everywhere. We've exited the universe, and now all we have to do is keep going until we see what happens. Now, everything is pitch black. Let's keep moving. Oh, we've exited through a black hole. But this doesn't seem like a normal black hole, which should have distortions around it in space-time. As you can see, this is just a black disk with nothing around it, no effects on space-time. There are many stars around it. It looks like the center of a star cluster with stars gathered around this black hole. And there are 2 stars a bit farther away. Let's check out one of them. As you can see, there are many stars, and there's a planet orbiting one of them that looks like Earth. Oh, it's not just one planet. What's this? There are many planets, all exploring a gas giant and its moons. A journey through parallel universes. Let's start with Aqua, a gas giant that is clearly recognizable due to its massive rings, similar to those of Saturn. Here's our moon, which at first glance seems to be Earth's moon. Given its presence, it's likely that Earth is nearby. However, it turns out that what we see is not Earth but a planet resembling it. We can tell this planet is spinning rapidly because the clouds are stretched due to its high rotational speed. Let's take a closer look at this beautiful lake. While it might seem like Earth in a different time period, the presence of the enormous gas giant confirms that we are not traveling back in time or into the future but are entering a parallel universe. Before we repeat the experiment, let's search for Earth next to this giant gas planet. Indeed, Earth is visible, and the city lights at night indicate the presence of humans. But how do the people on this Earth differ from us? Are they completely different, or are they just like us living different lives? Stay tuned for our upcoming episode on parallel universes and higher dimensions, where we will explore these questions in detail. Now, let's land on Earth and see what this giant ringed planet looks like from this perspective. We focus on the South Pole, a region surrounded by numerous myths and legends. As we look up, we see the giant ringed planet along with Earth and its moon, making for an incredible view. The rings illuminate the surroundings, making it look almost like daytime despite it being night. So, are parallel universes infinite? Every time we exit our universe, do we enter another parallel one, each with a different version of Earth? Indeed, every universe has its unique features compared to ours. For example, the solar system we've observed recently has many moons orbiting planets, quite different from our own. Returning to our solar system, we see that Earth has entered an ice age, with the surface covered in ice. Mars, however, is vastly different from what we know. It's covered in greenery and lakes, which is a stark contrast to its usual barren landscape. This version of Mars features remarkable geological formations such as Valles Marineris and Olympus Mons. It's a planet with diverse terrains including glaciers, greenlands, deserts, and mountains. We also spot unusual objects like a glowing blue structure near Mars, possibly a space vessel or an artifact from intelligent beings on Mars. Jupiter, transformed into a star, has its moons as planets now. For example, Europa, once a moon of Jupiter, is now covered with water due to the new heat from Jupiter. The new planets we encounter, such as the purple Zecticin, and other unique celestial bodies with strange colors and features, further showcase the diversity of parallel universes. Even Pluto, considered a dwarf planet, appears to support life with its Earth-like surface. As we conclude our journey, we are amazed by the wonders of this parallel universe. Although it differs significantly from our known cosmos, exploring these worlds enhances our understanding of what lies beyond our universe. Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of parallel universes and uncover even more incredible discoveries. Today, we're diving into a cosmic adventure like no other. Imagine a universe where the planets and moons we know have taken on entirely new roles. Buckle up as we explore the wonders of our solar system in a parallel universe. First stop, Veronia, a fascinating new planet where Saturn used to be. Check out its stunning appearance. We've even got a snapshot for you. The moons here are abundant and diverse. In this universe, Saturn's moons are not only numerous but also habitable, turning our solar system into a life-friendly oasis. Now, feast your eyes on Jupiter, which has transformed into a star. Glowing star, yes, you heard that right. Jupiter is now a blazing sun, providing ample warmth to its neighboring planets and moons. Look at those volcanoes erupting under real lighting conditions. It's like a volcanic light show in space. The transformation of Jupiter into a star has made all the difference. It's given new life to various celestial bodies. Imagine this. Every planet and moon in our solar system could now support life, thanks to the starry warmth from Jupiter. Next up, we have Earth, but not as you know it. This version of Earth is extraordinary. Its surface looks like a staircase, stacked one level upon another. It's truly a sight to behold. Now, let's zoom in on another moon from the Veronia system. This one is also life-supporting and bears a striking resemblance to Earth. It's amazing how many planets and moons are habitable in this universe. It seems like humanity would have a lot of new places to call home here. Continuing our journey, we find moons with vibrant volcanic activity, picturesque ice caps, and striking color contrasts. From pinkish atmospheres to breathtakingly unique landscapes, this universe is a visual feast. And speaking of ice, the poles of these moons are adorned with dense ice caps. We've seen this icy grandeur across several planets and moons, truly a frozen wonderland. As we venture further, we reach Neptune and its moon Triton. The icy poles and volcanic activity here are extraordinary. We even capture Neptune in its full glory, looking spectacular in the real lighting. But wait, there's more. Pluto, despite its distance from the Sun, is teeming with life due to Jupiter's new stellar role. The ice on Pluto has melted into a liquid state, revealing a dynamic world beneath. And let's not forget Charon, Pluto's moon, adding its own charm to this distant corner of the universe. As we explore the far reaches of our solar system, we encounter Haumea, shaped like an egg due to its gravity, and Eris, with its lush green landscapes and majestic mountains. The icy wall on Eris is particularly intriguing, like a frozen fortress in the vastness of space. Our cosmic adventure doesn't stop here. We venture outside our universe to witness the breathtaking collision course between our Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy. It's a cosmic dance that will reshape the fabric of our universe in about 4 to 5 billion years. As we conclude this stellar journey, remember the images and wonders we've explored today. They are more than just visuals. They're glimpses into a universe full of possibilities and potential. Stay tuned for more interstellar explorations and cosmic discoveries. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and your gaze set on the stars. Hello, everyone. Today's journey is an extraordinary one. We're going beyond the boundaries of the universe to explore what lies beyond its edge. Our adventure begins on this strange place we're on. It's a moon of a molten planet covered in volcanic lava. As we look around, we notice a nearby star cluster. But where exactly are we? As you can see, this is our galaxy, the Milky Way, and this star system is part of a star cluster on the galaxy's outskirts, about 34,000 light-years away from Earth. You might think that's a huge distance, and it is, but it's nothing compared to the vast distances we'll cover in today's journey. As you can see, this planet is molten, with its rocks boiling due to its proximity to its star. The star itself is blue, which, as you might know if you've been following me, means it has the highest temperature among stars. Here's another planet, so close to its star that it's evaporating, leaving a long tail like a comet. And there are many asteroids orbiting close to the star, forming an asteroid belt similar to the one between Mars and Jupiter. Interestingly, this belt was predicted before it was discovered, as astronomers noticed that each planet's distance from the Sun was roughly between 1.25 to twice the distance of the previous planet. They speculated that there might be another planet between Mars and Jupiter, and in 1801, the asteroid Ceres was discovered. It's the largest asteroid in the asteroid belt, with a diameter of about 950 kilometers and a surface area roughly the size of Iraq. Shout out to all my Iraqi viewers. If you're from Iraq, write "Proud Iraqi" in the comments, and I'll give your comment a heart. Now, as you can see, we've exited the galaxy entirely and are in intergalactic space. Here, distances are immense, spanning millions and billions of light-years, unlike the interstellar space within galaxies, which spans up to a few thousand light-years depending on the galaxy's size, or up to 1,000,000 light-years in the case of giant galaxies like the largest known galaxy, which is about 6 million light-years in diameter. This brightly lit object might not even be a galaxy. It could be a quasar. If you'd like me to do a special episode about quasars, let me know in the comments. Also, I haven't forgotten about the episode on parallel universes and higher dimensions. I'm working on it, and it'll be out soon. As you can see, we've reached the edge of the universe. But our goal today is to go beyond the edge and see what we find. But before we head into the unknown, let's explore a random galaxy at the edge and see what's inside. As you can see, this is an irregular galaxy, looking more like a nebula than a galaxy. Let's see what we can find inside. We've entered interstellar space, surrounded by millions of stars and some amazing nebulae. I personally love nebulae the most. Let's head to that beautiful crimson nebula and search for an Earth-like planet in this distant galaxy. We'll use the same criteria as Earth and search within a 100 light-year radius. As you can see, we got a lot of results. Let's check out the first one. This planet doesn't resemble Earth at all. Let's look at another one in the same solar system. This planet has water or some liquid on its surface, but it's still not like Earth. The third planet also doesn't look like Earth at all. It feels more like a moon. Let's check out the last planet. It resembles Venus, not Earth. Let's see the next planet in our search results. Oh, this one looks like the moon. We're getting closer to Earth-like. One looks like Venus, another like the moon, and finally, we've found an Earth-like planet. Let's explore this mysterious, distant world. As you can see, we're landing on a volcanic mountain, but it seems dormant. The beautiful crimson nebula is visible, and there are tall mountain ranges resembling the Himalayas on Earth. As we enter the planet's atmosphere, the nebula disappears due to the scattering of the star's light, just like we can't see stars during the day on Earth. Now, let's head to this sea, which resembles the Mediterranean, and check out this island that's actually a volcanic mountain rising from the depths of the sea to the sky. The view here is breathtaking, but the most stunning view must be of the nebula in the night sky, with stars and scattered galactic dust. Let's leave this planet and check out another one with rings like Saturn, but still not Earth-like. When we search for Earth-like planets, we use general criteria like moderate temperatures, rocky composition, oceans, and seas. These characteristics might be shared with other planets, but they don't exactly make them Earth-like. For example, a planet could be rocky with moderate temperatures, but its seas and oceans might not be made of water, or its atmosphere might lack oxygen, giving it a different color. That's why we get these strange planets. Let's leave these Earth-like planets and exit this random galaxy. As you can see, we're at the edge of the universe. Let's move as fast as possible beyond the universe and see what happens. If you notice, galaxies appear red before their light disappears completely. This happens because we are moving away from them, causing a redshift. As you can see, everything has turned pitch black. Let's keep going further and further until we see what happens. Oh, we emerged from a black hole. This means the entire universe was inside this black hole. It's even shaped oddly, like an hourglass. But the question is, are we really in our universe, or have we entered a parallel universe? Explore the universe. Discover the largest object in the Earth's sky, 16 times bigger than the moon. Have you ever wondered what lies beyond our solar system, in the vast expanse of the universe? Today, we're taking a journey far beyond our familiar celestial neighborhood to explore something truly extraordinary. An object so immense, it's 16 times larger than the full moon when viewed through radio waves. Join us as we dive into the captivating world of Centaurus A, a galaxy teeming with wonders, from mysterious black holes to breathtaking nebulae. ####, setting the scene. The Hawaiian Islands. Our adventure begins above the stunning Hawaiian Islands, an archipelago nestled in the heart of the Pacific Ocean. These islands, known for their natural beauty, are a part of the United States and offer a perfect vantage point for stargazing. As we gaze across the horizon, a bright object catches our eye, a spacecraft, possibly bound for the International Space Station. While intriguing, this shuttle is merely a prelude to the grand voyage ahead. ###, the journey to Centaurus A. Our destination today is the Centaurus A galaxy, located approximately 12 million light-years from Earth. Even at the speed of light, the journey would take 12 million years from an earthbound perspective. However, for us, traveling at light speed, the experience is instantaneous, an exhilarating leap across the cosmos. Centaurus A, also known as NGC 5128, is a galaxy visible only from the southern hemisphere. To see it, one must travel to regions like Australia, New Zealand, or parts of South America. Discovered in 1826 by the Scottish astronomer James Dunlop, this galaxy is the fifth brightest in the sky. If humans could see radio waves, Centaurus A would be the largest object visible, dwarfing the full moon by 16 times. Unveiling the galaxy's secrets. As we delve deeper into Centaurus A, we find ourselves surrounded by millions of stars. This galaxy spans approximately 97,000 light-years in diameter, closely matching the size of our own Milky Way, and contains an estimated 100 billion stars. The sheer scale and diversity within this galaxy are mind-boggling. One of the first sights to greet us is a stunning violet nebula. Its vibrant colors and ethereal glow make it a mesmerizing spectacle. Imagine standing on a nearby planet, witnessing such beauty unfold across the sky. Exploring the unknown, planets and stars. Venturing further, we encounter a variety of celestial bodies. We find a rocky planet with majestic mountain ranges, where the setting sun casts a warm glow across the landscape. As night falls, a nebula becomes visible, its colors contrasting beautifully with the fading light of the star. We move on to explore a blue star system. Blue stars are typically hotter than others, and interestingly, binary systems, where two or more stars orbit each other, are far more common in the universe than solitary stars like our Sun. In fact, they make up about 85% of all star systems. Next, we stumble upon a planet with polar ice caps and volcanic features, suggesting a past where water once flowed through deep canyons. The planet's surface is a testament to the dynamic processes that shape planetary bodies over time. The quest for Earth-like worlds. Our exploration includes a search for Earth-like planets. We discover a world with vast oceans and patches of greenery, though its atmosphere appears more like Mars than Earth. Despite the differences, the landscape evokes a sense of familiarity, reminding us of our home planet. We also encounter gas giants, reminiscent of Jupiter, and rocky planets encircled by stunning rings. These ringed planets offer some of the most breathtaking vistas, with rings arching gracefully across the sky, creating scenes straight out of science fiction. The heart of the galaxy, a supermassive black hole. Our journey culminates at the center of Centaurus A, where a supermassive black hole resides. This black hole, formed from the merger of two galaxies approximately 150 to 200 million years ago, is an astronomical giant. Its gravitational pull is so immense that not even light can escape, making it a true cosmic enigma. Surrounding the black hole is an accretion disk, a swirling mass of gas and dust heated to extreme temperatures. This disk is incredibly bright, emitting intense radiation. The black hole itself, with a diameter of about 9.5 astronomical units, AU, or roughly 1.4 billion kilometers, is colossal. To put it into perspective, if this black hole were at the center of our solar system, its diameter would extend beyond Saturn's orbit. The mass of this supermassive black hole is approximately 240 million times that of our Sun. As we approach its event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape, the sheer scale and power of this cosmic entity become evident. The final frontier. As we edge closer to the event horizon, the sight of the accretion disk and the black hole's intense radiation is both awe-inspiring and terrifying. The surrounding space is bathed in light, with the black hole itself appearing as a dark, foreboding void. The experience is a stark reminder of the mysteries and dangers lurking in the universe. With this breathtaking exploration of Centaurus A, we come to the end of our journey. The galaxy, with its diverse celestial phenomena, offers a glimpse into the boundless wonders of the cosmos. From the enchanting nebulae and stars to the enigmatic black hole, Centaurus A is a testament to the universe's beauty and complexity. As we return from this cosmic adventure, we're reminded of the infinite possibilities that await us in the universe. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or a curious observer, the exploration of space never ceases to captivate and inspire. So, keep looking up and let the stars guide you on your next adventure. Until then, may your curiosity lead you to new discoveries and wonders beyond imagination. In 1977, humanity embarked on one of its most ambitious ventures in space exploration, the launch of the Voyager spacecraft. This monumental project consisted of two probes, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, designed to explore the outer planets of our solar system and beyond. Their mission has since evolved into an extraordinary journey that has taken them farther from Earth than any other man-made objects. The launch and mission objectives. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were launched within a span of 16 days, with Voyager 1 being the first to take flight. The primary objective of these missions was to explore Jupiter and Saturn, and later, Voyager 2 was also tasked with visiting Uranus and Neptune. The launch was meticulously planned to take advantage of a rare alignment of the outer planets, which occurs once every 176 years. This alignment allowed the spacecraft to use gravitational assists to propel themselves to their next destinations. Voyager 1's historic journey. Voyager 1 began its journey with a flyby of Jupiter in 1979. During its encounter, the spacecraft sent back over 530 images of the gas giant and its moons, providing unprecedented details about the planet's atmosphere, rings, and satellites. These images revealed intricate details about Jupiter's Great Red Spot and its complex ring system. Following its flyby of Jupiter, Voyager 1 continued towards Saturn. By 1980, it had arrived at Saturn, where it provided humanity with some of the most detailed images and data ever obtained of the planet and its stunning rings. These observations revealed new details about Saturn's atmosphere, ring system, and moons, including the discovery of new moons and the structure of the rings. The pale blue dot, a cosmic perspective. As Voyager 1 left the vicinity of Saturn, it was directed to turn its camera back towards Earth to capture one final photograph of our planet from afar. On February 14, 1990, Voyager 1 took what has become one of the most iconic images in the history of space exploration, the pale blue dot. This photograph shows Earth as a tiny speck in the vast expanse of space, emphasizing our planet's insignificance in the grand scheme of the universe. Carl Sagan, a renowned astrophysicist, famously reflected on this image, highlighting the profound message it conveys about our place in the cosmos. Voyager 2's unique mission. While Voyager 1 headed directly out of the solar system, Voyager 2 took a different trajectory. Utilizing the gravitational assist from Jupiter and Saturn, Voyager 2 continued its mission to explore Uranus and Neptune. In 1986, Voyager 2 made its closest approach to Uranus, providing the first close-up images and data of the planet, its rings, and its moons. Voyager 2's encounter with Neptune in 1989 was equally groundbreaking. The spacecraft sent back detailed images of Neptune's atmosphere, its largest moon Triton, and the planet's ring system. Voyager 2's visit to these two distant planets provided valuable insights into the outer reaches of our solar system and offered a glimpse into the conditions and characteristics of these icy giants. Beyond the solar system, the Voyager probes today. After completing their primary missions, both Voyager probes continued their journey into interstellar space. Voyager 1, having crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the solar wind from the sun slows down and merges with the interstellar medium, became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space in 2012. Voyager 2 followed suit in 2018, marking its own entry into interstellar space. As of 2024, Voyager 1 has traveled approximately 24 billion kilometers from Earth, while Voyager 2 has covered a similar distance. Despite being billions of kilometers away, both spacecraft continue to send back data, providing scientists with valuable information about the environment in interstellar space. Their instruments measure cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and plasma waves, contributing to our understanding of the outer regions of our solar system and the interstellar medium. The Golden Record, a time capsule for the cosmos. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Voyager missions is the Golden Record, a gold-plated copper disc attached to each spacecraft. This record serves as a time capsule, intended to communicate the story of Earth and humanity to any potential extraterrestrial finders. The Golden Record contains a variety of sounds and images, including greetings in 55 languages, a diverse selection of music, and images depicting the diversity of life and culture on Earth. The Golden Record also includes instructions on how to play it, encoded in universal scientific terms. These instructions are intended to help any advanced civilization that might find the probes understand the data contained within the record. The cover of the Golden Record features diagrams and binary code designed to convey fundamental scientific concepts, such as the structure of hydrogen atoms and the location of our solar system. Interpreting the Golden Record. The record's cover includes a detailed map showing the location of our solar system relative to 14 pulsars, which are rapidly rotating neutron stars. This map is intended to help potential finders pinpoint our location in the galaxy. The pulsars' unique radiation patterns can be used to determine their positions, and from this, the location of our solar system can be inferred. The Golden Record also features a variety of sounds, including music from different cultures, greetings in various languages, and even a message from the UN Secretary-General at the time. Among the recordings is a segment of the Quran, a choice that has sparked curiosity and discussion about the selection process and its implications. The future of the Voyager probes. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 are expected to continue their journeys through interstellar space for many years to come. Voyager 1 is projected to reach a distance of about 40,000 years from Earth before it comes close to another star, while Voyager 2 is estimated to take around 296,000 years to approach a star system. The probes will continue to drift through the vast expanse of space, carrying with them the legacy of humanity's curiosity and exploration. Conclusion: a legacy of exploration. The Voyager missions represent one of humanity's most ambitious and enduring endeavors in space exploration. They have expanded our understanding of the outer planets, provided a unique perspective on our place in the universe, and carried a message of peace and curiosity into the depths of space. As these spacecraft continue their solitary journeys, they embody the spirit of exploration and the quest for knowledge that defines humanity's journey into the cosmos. In the vast expanse of space, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 stand as silent. We are going to explore some of the most Earth-like planets in the universe. If you love space exploration and it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. If you've been with me for a while, hit the like button. And if you don't enjoy the video, feel free to leave a dislike. The most important thing is that you express your opinion. Now, let's dive into our journey. As you can see, this first planet looks incredibly similar to Earth. It has lush green landscapes, oceans, seas, and rivers. There's also a star shining brightly, while another star can be seen at a distance, giving off a dimmer light. This planet even has a moon that resembles ours, though I must say, our moon is prettier. Let's take a look at this planet's eclipse caused by its moon. It's spectacular, with the Milky Way visible in the background. Truly breathtaking. Moving on, let's explore another area on this planet. There's a volcanic mountain covered in greenery, suggesting it may have been active in the past. Despite trying, I can't seem to capture both stars in one frame. So let's proceed to the next planet. As we travel through the vastness of space, we come across another planet that looks quite similar to Earth. This one has dense clouds and a volcanic island in the middle of the ocean, surrounded by other small islands. The view is amazing. with the galaxy clearly visible in the background. There's also a star cluster nearby, adding to the planet's beauty. Interestingly, this planet's moon has an atmosphere, indicated by the presence of auroras, giving it a cinematic appeal. This is an environment straight out of a sci-fi movie. Now, let's head to the next planet. This place is on the outskirts of its galaxy, evidenced by one side being dark while the other is filled with stars. There's another galaxy nearby as well. Upon landing, we find two volcanic islands, each with snow-capped peaks. These volcanic islands emerge from the ocean, creating a stunning landscape. Moving forward, we visit a planet with no large moons, only small dwarf moons with weak gravity. Now, let's explore the next planet. This planet has green mountains reminiscent of the Swiss Alps, with a moon that also resembles Earth. Unlike the planet, the moon has a more barren and rocky landscape, but it's still a sight to behold. The atmosphere here is quite scenic, with mountains, rivers, and lakes nestled in between. The planet and its moon together create a unique environment that could potentially support life. Let's explore a bit further. We see a nearby galaxy that looks quite beautiful, prompting us to move on to our next destination. We've arrived at a planet with two closely orbiting planets, not just a moon. These two celestial bodies are of similar size, orbiting a common center of gravity. This is an incredibly rare sight. The view from one planet of the other is stunning, especially with the Milky Way visible in the sky. However, the second planet appears to lack water and has a landscape filled with volcanoes. The planets are tidally locked, always showing the same face to each other, making their orbital dance even more fascinating. Now, let's head to the next planet, which features rings similar to Saturn's. While the rings are not as prominent, they're composed of small rocks and particles. The planet's moon resembles the earlier one we visited, with a reddish, desert-like surface and water features, yet without green vegetation. The rings of this planet can be seen arching across the sky, creating a picturesque view. The green grass on this planet stands out vividly, almost like farmland. It's truly a beautiful and vibrant sight. If you've made it this far, you're now part of our secret contest. Today's question is, what is the difference between mass and density? Don't forget to join our Telegram channel for more random giveaways. The link is in the description below the video. You could win here and there. See you in the next videos. Let's take another thrilling journey beyond our universe to explore what might lie in parallel worlds. If you're a regular viewer, you know this is our third episode in this series. We've previously ventured into parallel universes, encountering bizarre and fascinating phenomena. For those new to this concept, sit back and enjoy the journey. Don't forget to check out the first 2 episodes for a complete experience. As usual, we begin our adventure by passing through a black hole. This time, our black hole is located within a stunning nebula. Unlike anything we've seen before, this nebula boasts an unusual array of colors and star clusters. The galaxy we're visiting is filled with numerous nebulae, making it quite a sight to behold. As we approach the solar system of this parallel universe, we start to notice some significant differences. For instance, Mercury is missing, replaced by an entirely different planet. Another strange, greenish planet occupies the next position. These are not the planets we're familiar with in our own universe. Moving along, we find Venus, but it's not the arid, inhospitable world we know. Instead, it's a lush, water-rich planet, suggesting it could support life. Even more curious, the Earth appears dramatically different, covered entirely in green landscapes with no Sahara Desert in sight. As we explore further, we see the moon transformed into a habitable world with water-filled craters. Imagine a universe where humans could live on the moon. Such a reality would make lunar travel a regular and exciting adventure. In this universe, there'd be no debate over flat Earth theories. Everyone would know the truth from their own experiences. Continuing our exploration, we find Mars replaced by another lush, habitable planet, complete with towering mountains and even ice caps at the poles. This new planet boasts a unique landscape with steep, stair-like formations and vibrant volcanic activity. Even more surprising, Jupiter has become a star, turning its moons into planets capable of sustaining life. One of these moons, Europa, is now a water world with a thin layer of ice, now melted due to the warmth of the newly formed Jupiter star. Saturn, too, has been replaced by another planet, Veronia, which comes with a multitude of moons. Many of these moons are also habitable, teeming with vibrant ecosystems and unique geological features. One moon, in particular, boasts pinkish skies and lush, green land, a stark contrast to the usual lifeless bodies we know. As we explore, we notice recurring patterns, such as extensive ice caps at the poles and unusual step-like mountain formations, hinting at a complex and diverse planetary system. In this parallel solar system, even the outer planets are different. Uranus remains relatively unchanged, but Neptune's moon, Triton, has become habitable, covered in volcanic activity and icy landscapes. As we venture further, we find that even distant Pluto is habitable, thanks to the warmth from the newly formed Jupiter star. This warmth has melted the ice, creating a more temperate environment. We also come across Haumea, a dwarf planet with an unusual elongated shape due to its gravity. Nearby, Eris, another distant world, surprisingly supports life with its green lands and majestic mountains. This parallel universe even features the fabled ice wall, not on Earth, but on Eris, creating a striking visual. As our journey continues, we leave this parallel universe and move forward in time within our own. We witness our sun expanding into a red giant, scorching the nearby planets. Venus has become a hot, uninhabitable world, while Earth has turned into a hellish landscape. Mars now has rings, a result of its moon, Phobos, disintegrating over time. We even glimpse the approaching Andromeda Galaxy, signaling the impending collision with our Milky Way in the distant future. Throughout this journey, we've captured breathtaking images of these alien worlds. If you'd like a chance to win a custom triptych wall art featuring one of these incredible scenes, simply comment your name and the number of your favorite image. One lucky winner will receive this unique piece, complete with a personalized message from Galaxico. Thank you for joining us on this mind-bending adventure through parallel universes and our cosmic future. Stay curious and keep exploring. In 1977, humanity embarked on one of its most ambitious ventures in space exploration, the launch of the Voyager spacecraft. This monumental project consisted of two probes, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, designed to explore the outer planets of our solar system and beyond. Their mission has since evolved into an extraordinary journey that has taken them farther from Earth than any other man-made objects. The launch and mission objectives. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were launched within a span of 16 days, with Voyager 1 being the first to take flight. The primary objective of these missions was to explore Jupiter and Saturn, and later, Voyager 2 was also tasked with visiting Uranus and Neptune. The launch was meticulously planned to take advantage of a rare alignment of the outer planets, which occurs once every 176 years. This alignment allowed the spacecraft to use gravitational assists to propel themselves to their next destinations. Voyager 1's historic journey. Voyager 1 began its journey with a flyby of Jupiter in 1979. During its encounter, the spacecraft sent back over 530 images of the gas giant and its moons, providing unprecedented details about the planet's atmosphere, rings, and satellites. These images revealed intricate details about Jupiter's Great Red Spot and its complex ring system. Following its flyby of Jupiter, Voyager 1 continued towards Saturn. By 1980, it had arrived at Saturn, where it provided humanity with some of the most detailed images and data ever obtained of the planet and its stunning rings. These observations revealed new details about Saturn's atmosphere, ring system, and moons, including the discovery of new moons and the structure of the rings. The pale blue dot, a cosmic perspective. As Voyager 1 left the vicinity of Saturn, it was directed to turn its camera back towards Earth to capture one final photograph of our planet from afar. On February 14, 1990, Voyager 1 took what has become one of the most iconic images in the history of space exploration, the pale blue dot. This photograph shows Earth as a tiny speck in the vast expanse of space, emphasizing our planet's insignificance in the grand scheme of the universe. Carl Sagan, a renowned astrophysicist, famously reflected on this image, highlighting the profound message it conveys about our place in the cosmos. Voyager 2's unique mission. While Voyager 1 headed directly out of the solar system, Voyager 2 took a different trajectory. Utilizing the gravitational assist from Jupiter and Saturn, Voyager 2 continued its mission to explore Uranus and Neptune. In 1986, Voyager 2 made its closest approach to Uranus, providing the first close-up images and data of the planet, its rings, and its moons. Voyager 2's encounter with Neptune in 1989 was equally groundbreaking. The spacecraft sent back detailed images of Neptune's atmosphere, its largest moon Triton, and the planet's ring system. Voyager 2's visit to these two distant planets provided valuable insights into the outer reaches of our solar system and offered a glimpse into the conditions and characteristics of these icy giants. Beyond the solar system, the Voyager probes today. After completing their primary missions, both Voyager probes continued their journey into interstellar space. Voyager 1, having crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the solar wind from the sun slows down and merges with the interstellar medium, became the first human-made object to enter interstellar space in 2012. Voyager 2 followed suit in 2018, marking its own entry into interstellar space. As of 2024, Voyager 1 has traveled approximately 24 billion kilometers from Earth, while Voyager 2 has covered a similar distance. Despite being billions of kilometers away, both spacecraft continue to send back data, providing scientists with valuable information about the environment in interstellar space. Their instruments measure cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and plasma waves, contributing to our understanding of the outer regions of our solar system and the interstellar medium. The Golden Record, a time capsule for the cosmos. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Voyager missions is the Golden Record, a gold-plated copper disc attached to each spacecraft. This record serves as a time capsule, intended to communicate the story of Earth and humanity to any potential extraterrestrial finders. The Golden Record contains a variety of sounds and images, including greetings in 55 languages, a diverse selection of music, and images depicting the diversity of life and culture on Earth. The Golden Record also includes instructions on how to play it, encoded in universal scientific terms. These instructions are intended to help any advanced civilization that might find the probes understand the data contained within the record. The cover of the Golden Record features diagrams and binary code designed to convey fundamental scientific concepts, such as the structure of hydrogen atoms and the location of our solar system. Interpreting the Golden Record. The record's cover includes a detailed map showing the location of our solar system relative to 14 pulsars, which are rapidly rotating neutron stars. This map is intended to help potential finders pinpoint our location in the galaxy. The pulsars' unique radiation patterns can be used to determine their positions, and from this, the location of our solar system can be inferred. The golden record also features a variety of sounds, including music from different cultures, greetings in various languages, and even a message from the UN Secretary General at the time. Among the recordings is a segment of the Quran, a choice that has sparked curiosity and discussion about the selection process and its implications. The future of the Voyager probes. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 are expected to continue their journeys through interstellar space for many years to come. Voyager 1 is projected to reach a distance of about 40,000 years from Earth before it comes close to another star, while Voyager 2 is estimated to take around 296,000 years to approach a star system. The probes will continue to drift through the vast expanse of space, carrying with them the legacy of humanity's curiosity and exploration. Conclusion: a legacy of exploration. The Voyager missions represent one of humanity's most ambitious and enduring endeavors in space exploration. They have expanded our understanding of the outer planets, provided a unique perspective on our place in the universe, and carried a message of peace and curiosity into the depths of space. As these spacecraft continue their solitary journeys, they embody the spirit of exploration and the quest for knowledge that defines humanity's journey into the cosmos. In the vast expanse of space, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 stand as silent. We're embarking on an extraordinary journey beyond the boundaries of our universe. We'll explore what might lie beyond the edge of the cosmos. Let's start from this strange place we're on. It's a moon of a molten, volcanic planet. If we look around, we can see a star cluster nearby. But where exactly are we? This is our Milky Way galaxy, and we're on the outskirts of it, approximately 34,000 light-years away from Earth. It may sound far, but it's just the beginning of our journey today. Star and planetary observations. As you can see, the planet below is molten, with rocks boiling on its surface due to its proximity to a blue star. If you've been following my channel, you know that blue stars are the hottest. There's another planet so close to its star that it's evaporating, leaving a long tail like a comet. Around the star, there are numerous asteroids, forming a belt similar to our asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, which was predicted before its discovery in a rather strange way. The asteroid belt prediction. Astronomers noticed that the distance between planets increased by a factor of about 1.25 to 2 as you moved outward from the Sun. However, they found a gap between Mars and Jupiter, leading them to hypothesize another planet in that region. In 1801, the asteroid Ceres was discovered, the largest in the asteroid belt, with a diameter of about 950 kilometers, roughly the size of a rock. Intergalactic space. We've left our galaxy and entered intergalactic space, where distances are vast, millions or even billions of light-years. Unlike interstellar space, which spans a few thousand to a million light-years depending on the galaxy's size, intergalactic space stretches much farther. Giant galaxies, like the largest one with a diameter of 6 million light-years, can be found here. The bright object we're approaching might not even be a galaxy. It could be a quasar. If you'd like a special episode on quasars, let me know in the comments. Edge of the universe. We've reached the edge of the universe. Our goal today is to venture beyond this boundary and see what we find. But first, let's explore a random galaxy here on the edge. As you can see, it's an irregular galaxy, resembling a nebula more than a typical galaxy. What could we find inside? Exploring a distant galaxy. We're entering interstellar space within this galaxy, surrounded by millions of stars and beautiful nebulae. Let's search for an Earth-like planet. After setting the search parameters, rocky planets with moderate temperatures, we've found several candidates. However, none seem similar to Earth, whether due to the lack of water or a different atmosphere composition. Beyond the galaxy. Leaving this galaxy, we're now at the edge of the universe. Let's speed up and see what lies beyond. As we move away, the galaxies shift to red, indicating we're receding from them, a phenomenon known as redshift. Now, we're in complete darkness, a surprising discovery. It appears we've exited a black hole. Could the entire universe be inside this black hole? The shape resembles an hourglass. Are we back in our universe, or a parallel one? There are galaxies around us, and we spot the Cigar Galaxy, 10 to 12 million light-years from Earth. It seems we've returned to our universe, close to the Milky Way. Strange observations on Earth. We head towards Earth, and something is different. Our planet has rings, like Saturn. Could this indicate we're in a parallel universe where the moon has disintegrated into these rings? The gray, moon-like rocks could indeed be the remnants of the moon. Further mysteries. Nearby, we see Jupiter and another Earth-like planet or moon, covered mostly in water with some land masses. Could this be Europa, the moon of Jupiter known for its subsurface oceans? Or is this an entirely different world in a parallel universe? Conclusion. Whether we've entered a parallel universe or traveled far into the future of our own, the sights are breathtaking. From the icy poles with their auroras and volcanic activity to the view of Jupiter in the sky, the scenery is stunning. What do you think? Have we found a parallel universe, or is this our universe at a different time? Share your thoughts in the comments. Also, let me know if you'd like to see more explorations beyond the universe. And to my viewers from Iraq, a special shout out. Leave a comment saying "Proud Iraqi," and I'll give it a like. Remember, all of this is based on simulations and hypotheses. No one has actually ventured beyond the observable universe, and there may be many more galaxies and worlds beyond our current knowledge.